Okay guys, today we're going to talk about polygons, and we'll start off with the definition of polygon, which is a two-dimensional figure, a 2D figure, and it's closed, meaning there's no openings. The sides are line segments. And that means that there's no curves. And there can be 3 or more sides. So, things that would be a polygon, we could have something like this. We could have something simple like this. Not a polygon would be something like that, or something like this, where there's an opening. So, give you the idea there. Convex. We're looking for a convex polygon. What we're saying is that we're going to have a shape where if we extend any of these sides, they're going to remain on the outside of the figure. So see how none of these cross in? When we have a concave polygon, there's an innie. It's a little space in here that if we extend that side, it cuts through the shape, and we would have an intersection. So again, those would cross up top there. So a visual that I like to help students with is this idea of, if we have a concave polygon, there could be a little cave, and bats hang out in caves. So we have that cave. Concave means that there's literally a cave that it can go hide in, and convex is there's that lacking that cave. It's all outies. Okay. An equilateral means that all of the sides are the same. All sides are equal. Equiangular means all the angles are equal. Or we could say congruent, right? Same size, same shape. So all the sides are the same for equilateral. All the angles are the same for equiangular. And if we're going to talk about a regular figure, it's going to be both equilateral and equiangular, meaning all the sides are the same and the angles are the same. Okay, so regular is the most basic shape we could look for. So talking about like an equilateral triangle means all the sides and angles are the same, just like this. And we will also have the angles the same. You can have an equilateral shape, so something like a rhombus. All the sides are the same. You can have equiangular, like a rectangle. All the angles are the same. And we can have an equilateral and equiangular, meaning regular, meaning that the sides and the angles are the same, which would make a square. Okay? So we have some names of polygons. So a 3-sided polygon is a triangle, a 4-sided is a quadrilateral, a 5-sided is a pentagon, a 6-sided is a hexagon, a 7-sided is a heptagon, can also be called a septagon, depending on when and where you learned your terms. 8 is octagon, 9 is nonagon, 10 is decagon, 12 is dodecagon, 20 is icosahedron. And then from there we have a few others there, but for the most part, these first few here are the ones that you're really going to want to know. The rest of them we might call an n-gon. And then we can refer to like a 15-gon or a 30-gon or whatever from there. But we do use those names for those first few, triangle, quadrilateral, pentagon, hexagon, and so on. All right, that covers our notes for today.